Uh, so we all know that the quadratic equation formula, we have a ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That has a well-known solution, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, has two solutions, and generally, and these two solutions are given by x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So how do we get this formula? What if you forget for some reason this formula, and we are going to derive this formula? But before we do that, let me write an equation: 9x square and plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. We are trying to solve this equation, and how do we do that? I'll put 9x square as 3x whole squared, and then I'm going to write it in terms of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is 2 into a is 3x, into b, we have 3x, and right now we have 2 into 3x. So to make it 3x, I'm going to do 1 by 2. And now a square plus 2ab, and in order to make it a plus b whole square, I should have 1 by 2 whole square. Now I added 1 by 2 whole square, so I should also subtract 1 by 2 whole square, or 1 by 4. So these terms cancel out, and then finally I add 2 here. By doing that, I can write this equation as 3x plus 1 by 2 whole square. If I combine this whole term, this is 3x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and this I can write it as 4 into 2 is 8, and 1 9 by 4 equal to 0. And I can write it as 3x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 2 whole square. If I take the square root of this thing, I can write it as 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. So I have two solutions. One is, so I will get two solutions, and I'm not going to go into the details of those two individual solutions. You can always find by taking one as positive value. The positive value will give 3x plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, and the negative value will give 3x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 3x plus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2, and you can solve it. 3 by 2, this will give x equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1, and 1 divided by 3 is 1 by 3, and in this case minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, that is going to be minus 2, so x is equal to minus 2 by 3. We can apply the same logic here to derive the equation. We will start it. We want to make this guy a whole square. This we can do by multiplying the whole equation by a. If I multiply this whole equation by a, I get a square x square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0. Now I apply the same trick here. I have a plus b whole square formula. I have ax whole square plus I need 2 into a, which is ax here, ax here, this guy, 2ax, and then this a and x are here, but we need in order to make it abx, we will have to multiply it by b by 2. That's the only way we can get abx. 2 cancels out, and now we have b by 2 here, so I am going to add b by 2 whole square to make it a square plus 2ab plus b square. And because I added b plus b square by 4, I must subtract also b square by 4, so these two terms cancel out, and then I have plus ac here. So this term and these terms are same, but we get a plus b square for formula which we can apply and write it as ax a square plus 2ab plus b square, ax plus b whole square. And this I can write, I can mentally transfer it to the right hand side. I will get b square by 4 minus ac, that I can also write it as b square minus 4ac divided by 4. Now I can take a square root of both sides. I get ax plus b equal to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, and square root of 4 by 2, I get 2 here. I can transfer b to this side. You will get ax equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Sorry, this one was b by 2 here, ax plus b by 2. This becomes minus b by 2. Now x can be written as, the 2 is common here, so I can write b minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, and it gets divided by 2 into a. So this is the formula, that's the famous formula that you need to memorize, and in case you forget about it, you can use these steps to derive the formula. I would expect that you take a pencil and paper, write down this equation, try to first solve this equation yourself, and then try deriving this formula. That will strengthen your learning, and it will ensure that you are going to remember this for your lifetime. Thanks for watching.